I'm thirsty. Does anyone mind if I... All right. Alrighty. Hello? Hi, I'm filming. Yeah, those bagels. I want my like smoked salmon though. Just like a tiny bit of cream cheese though. I've had so much cream cheese lately. Okay, bye. Love you, bye. Sorry. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my favorites of 2018. I haven't done a video, like a favorites video, in a while. I don't even think I did one for 2017. So some of this stuff might be from 2017 or like made in 2016, but I just now realized it and have become obsessed with it in the year 2018. So I'm really sorry about that. Some of this stuff you've probably seen before in other channels, but I am just realizing how amazing they are. And yeah, it's just basically like my daily routine with like some things added into it that like I just can't live without right now. Also, this is a collab video. I am collabing with a girl who is actually from my hometown, which is crazy. As she said in her video, our hometown is so tiny. We're probably the only two beauty vloggers in it, so we thought that we would do a collab together. Her name is Brienne. She goes by the Peachy King on YouTube. I will put all of her information down here. She goes by that on Instagram as well. I just love her videos. I've actually like gotten a lot of my products from what I've seen her using, like her favorites, and then I started getting them, and now some of them are included in here, so you might see some doubles with us. So I would definitely go and subscribe to her channel. I am subscribed and I watch all her videos and her snaps and everything like that. Like I said, everything will be down below, all the information, and go subscribe to her right now. I will give you a moment. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get started. Let's start with primer, because that's what we put on our face first. I have been obsessed with this. This is the Dewy Face Primer from Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Obviously it's Wet n Wild, so it's like $2. I don't even know. It's not that much money at all. I used to use the L'Oreal like Lumi primer, and that one was actually like pretty pricey, like $11.99 or something, and I'm pretty sure this was like $2.99. Couldn't be more than $2.99. And so I just tried it just because, I don't know, I needed a really cheap primer and I was tired of spending like 15 bucks on the other one. So yeah, I got this and I actually really love it. Since I've gotten this, I've been using it nonstop. I got it about like 4 months ago, and I don't plan on going back unless something better comes out, but it's gonna be pretty hard to beat this. I just think it's perfect. I have super dry skin, super dry skin, and yeah, I don't know, I feel like I don't dry out throughout the day, and it has to be because of this. So moving on, as for foundation, this has been around for a while. I've actually been using it, well, I did use it years ago for a while, and now I've gone back to it. It is super full coverage. It is the Maybelline Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. And as I said, I am super dry, but this works for me. I don't know, oh, can you guys see it? Is it like focusing? I just really love this. The whole reason that I even pulled this out is because I have a monstrous pimple that has been ruining my entire life in the middle of my eyebrows. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that because I've been bitching about it in my stories. I'll put my Instagram right here if you don't follow me. So this is why I reached for it, because I was like, I need something very full coverage to go to work and look like a normal person without people staring at my zit. I'm like down for this now. I've been wearing it at least for the past week, and I'm like, why haven't I been wearing this the whole entire time? Also, another good foundation that I've been using this entire year, which has come out before, but this year is when I became obsessed with it because I was living in New York City and my skin was super dry, and that foundation was just working for me. And it is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. I don't like mentioning stuff like that because it's super pricey. But yeah, that one was definitely helping me over there because it's just so much drier over there. The climate's so different. Like I would never be able to pull this off over in New York, but I'm back in California, and so yeah, that one's just been working out for me. All right, so moving on to concealer. I turned 30 this year. That's not like a good thing to celebrate. I don't like being this old. But anyways, so I have a lot of bags under my eyes because now I'm old as dirt. Every morning when I wake up, of course, I have dark circles under my eyes. And so color correcting is always something that you want to do if you definitely have some, you know, off colors on your face that you would like to just neutralize, and then you can put your foundation on and primer and all that. So I've been using the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. This is color correcting fluid. This is in the color Peach. I actually use the one pink. That's the one for me. It's just called Pink. That's like really the one that works out for me, but they didn't have it, so I just went with the peach one because I was like, okay, they're like pretty much the same. The peach one's working, but definitely when the pink one gets back to being restocked, and I'm going to definitely run back to that one. Okay, so first I use some kind of color corrector. Like I said, I would prefer the pink one, but the peach one's been working just as great. If you have redness under your eyes, then go get the green one. I think they just had basic names like peach, green, purple, blue. Well, I don't know if there's a blue one. And so for concealer, this has been around forever and ever, and I just started using it this year in 2018. It is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Apparently everybody's been using this because when I mention it, people are like, oh my god, that's the best thing ever. All of a sudden I start noticing it in like my friends' purses and in their like makeup piles and stuff like that, and I'm like, where have I been? I don't know. I've actually been using this. This is why. Because I've been using this basically forever. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I mean, this is amazing too, but this is what I've been stuck on. And yeah, so if you want to know my color, I'm in the color Light Pale. I really like white, like really light under eyes. Okay, moving on. Bronzer, I'm sure the Peachy King brand, I'm sure she probably like mentioned this as well because I know she likes it too. The Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula is amazing, and it smells like you're in Hawaii. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's just so amazing. I don't know, like I can't live without it. There's no way that I can live without it. I actually went traveling somewhere and I forgot to pack it, and so I had to run to like CVS and get it because it was like the one thing I forgot. I could have kind of done without it, but no, like actually couldn't have done without it because I'm so obsessed with it. I just can't imagine not ever wearing it. Like now, like how did I live before this was invented? I don't know. If you don't listen to me for anything in this video, at least go buy this. Go buy it. Moving on to highlight. Yeah. Then Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy or Amrezy, however you say it, highlight. Look at, oh my god, the ring light is like making it just be its true self. If you want to look like a disco ball, this is amazing, and I love looking like a disco ball. I thought it was going to be limited edition, but I've been seeing it at Ulta like fully stocked, so yeah, it's definitely there, but it's great. I hope that it like stays a staple product. Let's go to very affordable, which would be Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This is like this acts as if it's a very high-end highlighter. Like it really does. Like it acts like, I don't know, it's bougie. That's what it is. It looks bougie. When you have it on, you look expensive. I mean, it's gotta be $2, but yeah, I was so surprised. My boyfriend's sister actually gave this to me, I think, or pointed it out to me or something. I don't know. She brought it to my attention and I use it and I was like, holy crap, oh my god. I would just go pick this up because it's nice to just have and travel with, because if it breaks or in your bag or luggage or whatever, it's only like $2. So you can just go and run and get another one. So yeah, I usually do travel with this one. And then as far as like blushes, bronzer goes, this year I have been loving the Balm. This is like a 3-in-1 type thing. It's called the Girls Getaway Trio. It has Balm Springs, Balm Beach, and Balm Desert. I love a good play on words. It just has these 3 things, and I just swipe like my blush brush over all of them and then just use it as a blush. And I just really like it. I got it at TJ Maxx. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's been like very used. And I don't know how long it's been out, but it's my thing. And now for lashes. Lashes are my favorite part of makeup ever. And at the drugstore, I was really a Demi Wispies girl. Like, I was all about Demi Wispies. That's all I use on my clients. And the double Demis came out, and then I was all about those because they're really like, they were thicker. I love like a good drag queen like eyelash. So by far, like the winner of the year for everything will definitely be to Kiss for coming out with these like lash couture line like this. They're so good, and they're like $6.99, and they're more like, they're more better. I'm such an idiot. They're better, I think, than high-end ones. I really do. I think that these are way better. I use them all the time. I stock up on them. My favorite one is called Gala. Just right here. This is a new one I haven't tried yet. It's called Grandeur. I've definitely worn Gala and like Little Black Dress, and there's like a couple others that I've worn from this, and it's so, what the hell is that? Okay, this is probably like my 5th pair of these. I'm obsessed with them. I'm obsessed. I am done with Demi Wispies. I'm done with them. They're so old news. They don't have to look like this dramatic too. They have ones like Little Black Dress isn't dramatic at all. So don't think that they only make like big lashes like the ones that I like. They definitely have some that are a little more like tamed down, a little less outlandish than what I like to wear on my eyes. As far as setting spray goes, hands down, it goes to the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I don't know when this came out. I think it came out in 2017. But I just discovered it this year, and I'm obsessed with it because look, okay, I hate spraying things, but see, it continually goes, and it smells really good. It's not, okay, well, my mouth was open, so I like inhaled it. So it's not like the other ones, you know, where you're like, you know, and you feel like you only like sprayed mainly right over here. It's not even over here, but this one like continually goes. I don't know why no one's come out with that kind of thing before, like a continuous spraying like setting mist. But yeah, they killed it. They knocked it out of the park. As far as lips go, I have been loving the new Morphe liquid lipsticks. I'm wearing this one right now. It's called Hot Shot. I was wearing it and it was like 2 videos ago. I love it. And I have to go to work tonight, and I think like I wore this because it's like our last day before we close. So yeah, I don't know. I just felt like it was appropriate because it's Christmas. And then once again, these have been out forever. They've been out forever. I've never used them. I put them on my clients who are brides, but I have never personally used them myself. And now I'm hooked. I'm a fan, and I'm on the Kylie train. I'm on the Kylie train 100%. I have not used her kits where they come with like the lip liner and this. I just use these because they're more affordable, because these ones are $16 at Ulta. And if you get the kit, they're $29, so that's like quite a difference. But this one is in the color Surprise Me. And I have, God, I got like one last night too. I think I have 3 of them now, maybe 4, but I'm into it. Like, I'm really into it. The way to get me on liquid lips is when it doesn't like dry like a lot, when they're not like super drying. Like, that's the way that you're gonna like get me on liquid lipsticks, is the formulation of it being like just more comfortable. And then as far as makeup remover wipes go, I used to use, I don't even know what they're called. They're like a cucumber thing. I don't even know, but these ones are they're the Costco brand by Kirkland. You can get so many, probably like 15 of these huge things for like $12.99. So it's just like, just a way better deal. And they're so moist, and just, I feel like they get it, like they get the job done a lot better than the other ones I've tried. So this takes the cake. I don't know when these came out, but once again, my boyfriend's sister introduced me to these, and I've been obsessed with them. And I actually need to go get a new box of them, so yeah, but they're amazing. I love them. So check these out if you can, and if you're on a budget, definitely this is the way to go. Oh my God. Okay, so for palettes, this is last, I promise. I know for a fact that all 3 of these came out this year, and they are my absolute favorite. Let's just go with Morphe first, James Charles. This is amazing, and it was really hard to get, and I had to fight through people, but I got it, and it's just amazing because first off, I love the packaging. For Morphe, it's like better quality than the other ones. Second off, like, I mean, you basically don't need anything else. You have everything you need on this palette, and it's just really good quality, super pigmented. I did a purple and pink smoky eye the other day with this just because I wanted to try it out, and it was amazing. And I also love how like the more used colors are like the bigger ones in the center. Like you can definitely like set your under eye with like the banana powder looking thing. These very like warm toned browns are like super popular, of course, so they're a little bit bigger. I just really love the pan size. And then I can't, like my man, he is Manny MUA. I'm obsessed with him. I just love him. And this palette, obviously, like it's been used so much. This is his Life's a Drag palette. It was his first launch of Lunar Beauty, and I don't know if it came out in the end of 2017 or the beginning of 2018, but I've been using it. This is probably like my most used palette this year, like definitely the one that I reach for the most. Everything's so pigmented, so pigmented. I'm actually wearing this today on my eyes. I'm wearing the white and the black on my eyes because I did like a really deep smoky eye. I love it, I just love it. Another palette that he just came out with, Greek Goddess palette. I think that's what it's called, yeah. Look at it, isn't that cool? I just think they're so pretty. Don't know why, but I haven't used it yet. I probably will tomorrow, and I probably will then forever for like all of 2019 because I wear the crap out of his palettes. Anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am sorry that I basically spoke about things that have all been out, but I've just discovered them. And so, yeah, you've probably already heard of them before, but I'm bringing them back. And this is just like basically my routine and what I use like right in front of me. So I thought that I would just let you guys know that these are definitely my favorites because I've been wearing them for the whole entire year. I mean, except for the foundation, of course, I switched out because of skin difference in New York and then over in California. So yeah, but other than that, these I've been wearing like all year, and I just absolutely love what I have going on right now in my makeup routine. So I want to say thank you to the Peachy King for doing this collab with me. Thanks, girl. We gotta do this again. Us NorCal girls have to stick together in this industry. Thank you guys, and once again, subscribe to her. She'll be down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.